Today I'm going to show you step by step how to get email notifications when someone fills out a Google form. It's a little bit hidden and I had to really search around for it, so I figured I would make this super quick video for you to show you. Here is a test form that I did, and it's actually in Responses where you set it up. So here we have the responses. This is one person filled this out, and you can do the Excel spreadsheet if you want, and it'll create that for you, where you can then export your responses. Kellyanne Smith tutorials. This is their YouTube channel, aka my YouTube channel. How much they make? 5K a month. So we can do that, or you can also click these three dots here, and then you're going to select Get Email Notifications for New Responses. Now you want to see this email notifications enabled, and then when you go and click on it, it has a check mark next to it. That is going to ensure that you're going to get those email notifications, and then you'll just receive an email with them right there to remind you to go and check your form.